My name is Ian Dube. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm with Boston Scientific for 14 years. I'm doing night shift, PCT. 2nd of September, I had a heart attack after having my breakfast. I just felt a burn in my heart. Then I just collapsed. Fortunately, there's someone in the house who called an ambulance. The next thing, I woke up in a theater. The doctor asking me, Ian, are you still feeling any pain? That time I said no, and then he told me, you have a Boston Scientific stent. I was excited. I couldn't believe it. Discovering that I was the one who started the stent, PCT, and it went through all other departments. It really touched me, because we tend to thank the doctors who saves our life, but forget about the people behind the scenes who made that stand. I made the stand, and my work colleagues made the stand.
When I think about this story, ultimately what I think about is winning together, and that cultural journey that we have been on and that we're on. And one part that we talk about all the time is saving and improving lives. But it's not often that we get that opportunity to save or improve the life of a work colleague, somebody that we work beside every single day. And in fact, in this case, Ian got to work on the component that eventually went in and saved his own life. The second part of winning together that kind of links it all together for me is being part of a great team. And I'm so exceptionally proud of the PCT team who worked together, making these components that went in and saved one of their friends' lives, one of their colleagues' lives. Something that I think we should all be extremely proud of.
This is my souvenir from Boston Scientific. Thank you very much. To each and every Boston staff throughout the world, you are doing a great job. I might thank the doctors, but you are special. You are special. I'm alive because of you.